12 things men value more than hearing, "I love you," according to relationship experts. You've heard the phrase, "actions speak louder than words" before, and it's true. Men are visual, while women are verbal. Men act on impulse, women think things through. Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Because of these differences, it's no surprise that the hearts of men and women react to love in different ways. More than just hearing "I love you," there are many other ways to show your affection for a man. Even the smallest gestures can make him feel deeply appreciated and less taken for granted. It doesn't need to be grand or expensive. Sure, those 3 words make you smile, but he might feel love more through what you do rather than what you say. Here are 12 simple yet powerful ways to express your love, as shared by relationship experts and marriage counselors. Number 1. Give him your full attention. When you're on your phone during dinner, his brain reads it as, "I'm not important," explains marriage therapist Dr. Mike Dow. Men's brains are built to focus on one thing at a time and block out other information. So even though women multitask naturally, your man feels valued when you give him your full attention. It tells him, "You're my priority." Look him in the eye and limit distractions. Number 2, hug him for 7 seconds. Instead of a quick peck before you head out the door, hold him a little longer. Therapist Karen Goldstein says men bond more through touch than talk. Hug him for at least 7 seconds. It might feel long, but that's what makes it special for him. You'll enjoy it too. Number 3, cook his favorite meal. It may sound old-fashioned, but there's truth in the saying, "The way to a man's heart is through his stomach." Dr. Dow says remembering what he likes to eat without asking shows how well you know him. Couples who pay attention to each other's small preferences tend to be happiest. And if you're not sure what he loves, try baking something sweet. Men respond strongly to pleasant scents, especially pumpkin pie, according to research by Dr. Alan Hirsch. Number 4, wear the outfit he loves on you. Athleisure is comfortable, sure, but dressing up occasionally tells him you still care to look good for him. Dr. Dow explains that men are wired to respond more to visual cues. Seeing you in that favorite red dress reminds him of how much you desire him. A study from the University of Rochester even found that women wearing red are particularly attractive to men. Number 5, take care of yourself. Eating healthy, reducing stress, exercising, these things are for you, but they also show him love. Dr. Dow says it sends the message, "I want a long, beautiful life with you, and I'll take care of myself so you don't have to lose me too soon." That's powerful motivation. Number 6, compliment him. Throughout history, men have competed and strived to win women's admiration. A sincere compliment reassures him that he's still your hero. Clinical psychologist Andrew Brash says appreciating his looks, strength, or problem-solving abilities tells him you admire him, which equals love. Praise him when he helps around the house or when he looks sharp before going out. Number 7, encourage him to take time for himself. Sometimes men struggle to say they need a break. Suggest that he hang out with his friends, play a game, or just sleep in. Giving him that space helps him recharge, and both of you benefit from it. Number 8, surprise him with a quickie. Sure, long romantic nights are wonderful, but short moments of passion have their own magic. Dr. Dow explains that even a few minutes of intimacy can release dopamine in men, the chemical that sparks happiness and desire. Meanwhile, women get their love hormone, oxytocin, after cuddling. Both bring you closer. Number 9, thank him for the small things. Say thank you when he drives you somewhere or takes care of errands. Even if it's routine, it still matters. We often rush through life and forget to appreciate these gestures. As therapist Karen Goldstein says, simple acknowledgement keeps love alive. Number 10, ask for his advice. Men want to feel needed and capable. Ask for his thoughts about work or a decision you're making. It shows that you trust his judgment and see him as a teammate. Dr. Brash explains that when men solve problems, it boosts their confidence and sense of value in the relationship. Number 11, let him open up. Even if he doesn't admit it, stress from work or family can weigh heavily on him. Make space for him to share without judgment. Dr. Brash advises listening, not fixing. When he knows you won't think less of him for showing vulnerability, it deepens trust. If he's quiet, gently ask if he wants to talk. Number 12. Frame a recent photo. Print a funny or sweet picture of the two of you and frame it. Put it somewhere visible. It's a small but meaningful reminder of your bond and shared memories. There you have it. 12 things men appreciate more than hearing "I love you," backed by relationship experts. If you really want to learn how to make a man emotionally attached to you so much that you're the only woman he thinks about, check out the first link in this video, a description under recommended solutions. It's a trusted psychological guide that can help you build lasting connection, even if he wasn't initially interested. That's all for today from 100 Quotes. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.